Good morning, dear students. Dear students, today we shall discuss the exercise 2.4 in the chapter fractions and decimals. So, in this exercise 2.4, the important concept is reciprocal form. So, what do you mean by reciprocal form is we have to take the given fraction in the reverse order. That means we have to write the denominator in the numerator and numerator in the denominator. That's become the reciprocal form of the given fraction. So we are seeing one by one in the exercise 2.4. So in that, so this is the exercise 2.4 that this contains first one, second one, third one and fourth one. First one contains 6 questions, here also 7 and here also 6 questions, and last one is 8 questions will be there. In these are all questions contains division. So this contains division. So we shall discuss one by one. And in this one, fifth one is homework. Here also one homework. So 3 means I give one 3. So class 7 maths chapter 2, in that fractions and decimal exercise 2.4, in that one, first one is question number 1. We should find, that means we have to simplify. We have to simplify first one, 12 divided by 3 by 4. In the case of division, if we take reciprocal form of 3 by 4, that's become multiplication. So that becomes 12. This division become into. So division changes to multiplication means we should take reciprocal form of 3 by 4. That's become 4 by 3. That is 12 into 4 by 3. That is equal to 12 fours are 48 by 3. If we divide this 48 by 3, we get 16. That means 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Next is 1 will be remaining. This become 18. 3 6 are 18. Answer is 16. So if we convert that division into multiplication, that's become numerator changes to denominator, denominator goes to numerator. That means we have to take the given fraction in the form of reciprocal, and then division changes to multiplication. And second one, 14 divided by 55 by 6. Solution 14. This we have to take the reciprocal form of 5 by 6. Then this division become multiplication, and this 5 by 6 becomes 6 by 5. If you multiply this one, this becomes 6 into 14. 14 6 are 84. 84 by 5. It is in the form of improper fraction. So you should convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, because in the previous exercise I told that you should always convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. And next one, 8 divided by 7 by 3. So we should change this division into multiplication. Then we take 3 by 7. That is reciprocal form of 7 by 3 is 3 by 7. Then this division become multiplication. That is equal to 8 into 3 by 7. So next, that's become 8 3s are 24. 24 by 7. This also in the form of improper fraction. So you should convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So 24 by 7 is also an improper fraction. So we should convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. And next, fourth one, 4 divided by 8 by 3. Solution 4. So we should take reciprocal form of 8 by 3. Then this division become multiplication, but addition does not become subtraction, and subtraction does not become addition if we take the reciprocal form. Only division become multiplication. Then this 3 by 4, 8 by 3 become 3 by 8. That is equal to 4 into 3 by 8. that is equal to 4 3s are 12, 12 by 8. These two are divisible by same table, that is 2 or 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. This 3 by 12 is not a proper fraction, so we should convert this 3 by 12 into mixed fraction. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಿಶ್ರ ಭಿನ್ನರಾಶಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ fifth one. So fifth one, so here you should convert the final step of multiplication into division into multiplication and simplify that one. Up to that, here problem is solved. That is, first we should convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So mixed to improper, not mixed to proper fraction. That is 3 divided by, this can be written as 3 into 2 plus 1 by 3, that is equal to 3 divided by 3 into 2 means 6. 6 plus 1 divided by 3, that is 3 divided by 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 3. So next step is homework for you. That's very simple. 3 divided by 7 by 3 becomes 3 into 3 by 7. Next we should multiply numerator to numerator. That's become 3 3s are 9. 9 by 7. Next, second question. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocal as proper fraction, improper fraction and whole number. So solution, we know that whole number means number starting from 0. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Proper fraction means denominator is greater than numerator. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator. So we should take reciprocal form of each one. First one is 3 by 7. Reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. Here denominator is lesser than numerator. Therefore this is improper fraction. Like this we should classify one by one. And second one, 5 by 8. So the reciprocal of 5 by 8 is 8 by 5. Here also denominator is greater than numerator. Denominator is less than numerator. That means numerator is greater than denominator. So ಅಂಶವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿಷಮ ಭಿನ್ನರಾಶಿ. that is improper fraction. Next one, here will be there, I think. Yes. So here they given 9 by 7. They given 9 by 7. So reciprocal of 9 by 7 is equal to 7 by 9. Here so they made a small mistake. It is wrong. Here denominator is greater than numerator. Alva, numerator gina denominator greater ide. Therefore this is proper fraction. So it's wrong. You should write denominator is greater than numerator, and this is proper fraction. And next, same thing. Next one, 6 by 5. The reciprocal form of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. Here also numerator is numerator is less than denominator. So 5 by 6 is proper fraction. This is also wrong one, so don't write this one here. 5 by 6 is proper fraction. 12 by 7, here also denominator is greater than numerator, therefore this is also proper fraction, but don't write this is in the form of improper fraction, because here we should classify the reciprocals as proper or improper or whole. So reciprocal form ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, so 7 by 3 reciprocal is 7 by 3, denominator is the numerator is greater than denominator, improper fraction. In the second one, it is also improper fraction because denominator is less than numerator. Here denominator is greater than numerator, this is proper fraction, so mistake will be there, so you should correct that one. And this is also proper fraction because denominator is greater than numerator. Here also denominator is greater than numerator, it is also an proper fraction. So here mistake will be there, so you should correct this one and also third one. Okay. And next question number 3, find 7 by 3 divided by 2. Solution: 7 by 3 will be there for the division, 2 divided by nothing will be there, means 1 will be there. So 7 by 3 we should convert, we should take reciprocal form of 2 by 1, then this division become multiplication, 2 by 1 become 1 by 2, that is equal to 7 into 1 by 3 into 2, that is equal to 7 ones are 7 by 3 twos are 6. And next one, second one will be there, that is 4 by 9 divided by 5. Solution: 4 by 9 divided by 5, nothing will be there, means here 1 will be there. So 4 by 9, this division become multiplication, then this become 5 by, so here wrong will be there, this become 1 by 5. So this step is somewhat mistake will be there, so please correct this one. The reciprocal form of 5 by 1 is 1 by 5, then that become 4 by 1 divided by 9 into 5. 4 into 1 by 9 into 5, that is 4 ones are 4 by 9 5s are 45. So this step is somewhat mistake will be there, so please correct this one into 1 by 5. Then numerator is 4 into 1 by 9 into 5 will be there, that is 4 ones are 4 by 9 5s are 45. Next one, 6 by 13 divided by 7. So 6 by 13 divided by 7 means nothing will be there, means 1 will be there in denominator. So this is 6 by 13 into reciprocal form of 7 by 1 is 1 by 7, that is equal to 6 into 1, numerator to numerator we should multiply, and denominator to denominator we should multiply. Here 6 into 1 by 13 into 7, 6 ones are 6 by 13 sevens are 91. Next, it's easy but somewhat confusion. First one is mixed fraction divided by whole number. So first we should convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 3 into 4 plus 1 by 3 divided by 3, that is equal to 3 4s are 12 plus 1 divided by 3 divided by 3. This become 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 divided by 3 divided by 3 by 1, that is equal to 13 by 3. This division become multiplication, then 3 by 1 become 1 by 3. Then this become 13 ones are 13 by 3 3s are 9. So this is the given answer, but this is in the form of improper fraction. So we should convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction by dividing this numerator by denominator. Remainder should be right in numerator place, and 9 will be always in the denominator and whole number will be right in aside. Next, here also this problem also same thing. This also contain proper fraction, sorry, improper fraction, and also where means here is improper fraction, but they given in the form of mixed fraction. So they given that 4 of 3 by 7 divided by 7. Solution, that is 4 of 3 by 7. First we should convert this into improper fraction. That is 7 into 4. 7 into 4 plus 1 by 7 divided by 7. That is equal to 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 1 divided by 7. So this become 28. Sorry friends, this is 3. By mistake they written 1. Instead of 1 you should write 3. Here also 3. Okay, here 3, here also 3. That is 28 plus 3 become 31. 31 by 7 divided by 7 by 1. So next we should take this reciprocal of 7 by 1. That become multiplication. So division changes to multiplication and 7 by 1 changes to 1 by 7. That is 31 into 1. So here will be 1 divided by 7 into 7. 31 ones are 31 by 7 sevens are 49. Here also by mistake 7 came. So you should change this 7 into 1. You should change this 7 into 1. Once again I will repeat. So 2 mistakes will be happening. So here will be, here 3 is there. Here also you should write 3. Here also you should write 3. Then this become 31 by 7 divided by 7 by 1. This is 31 into 7 by 7 into 7. So here you should write 1. Because the reciprocal form of 7 by 1 is 1 by 7. We should multiply 31 into 1 alva. Yes, that is 31 into 1 by 7 into 7. Okay. Yes. Sorry for that mistake. Next is fourth one. Very easy. So question number 4. Find 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Solution, 2 by 5. This division changes to multiplication. Then 1 by 2 become 2 by 1. If you multiply, or we should multiply numerator to numerator and then denominator to denominator. That's become 2 2s are 4 by 5 1s are 5. That is 4 by 5. Next, second one. 4 divided by 9 divided by 4 divided by 9 divided by 2 by 3. Solution. So this 4 divided by 9, this division changes to multiplication. Then 2 by 3 changes to 3 by 2. Then that is equal to 4 into 3 by 9 into 2. That is 4 3s are 12 by 9 2s are 18. These two are divisible by 3. 6, that is 6 3s are 18. 6 2s are 12. Just we should take the reciprocal form of second one. Then the division converts into multiplication, and in the second, numerator goes to denominator and denominator goes to numerator. Third one. Here also same concept. So same thing will be happen. They given that 3 by 7. By 7 divided by 8 by 7. So solution, 3 by 7 into this division changes to multiplication. Then that 3 by 7 changes to as 3 by 7 into that 8 by 7 changes to 7 by 8. Then we should multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. That is 3 into 7 by 7 into 8. That is 3 7s are 21 by 7 into 8 means 7 8s are 56. So those two are divisible by 3. That is 7 3s are 21, 7 8s are 56. Next, fourth one. So they given that here these two are different. Fourth one, fifth one, and also sixth one, and the seventh one, because that contains both mixed and proper fraction. So fourth one, that is 2 of 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. So first we should convert this 2 of 1 by 3 into improper fraction, that is 3 into 2 plus 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5, that is 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5, that is 6 plus 1 means 7, 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5, that is equal to 7 by 3 into 5 by 3, that is reciprocal form of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3, the division become multiplication. So then we should multiply that 7 into 5 by 3 into 3, 7 5s are 35 by 3 3s are 9. Very simple. And next fifth one is also very easy. So we should convert that mixed fraction into improper, that is 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3, that is equal to 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3, that is equal to 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 2 divided by 8 by 3, that is equal to 7 by 2. We should convert the division into multiplication form, then that's converted into reciprocal, that is 8 by 3 become 3 by 8. So 7 3s are 21 by 8 2s are 16. The both number doesn't divisible by same number, so we should keep as it is, or we should convert that improper fraction into mixed fraction, that is 21 by 16 into mixed fraction. You already learnt in your previous exercise problems, so you should try to convert that into mixed fraction. Next, sixth one also same thing, they given in the form of mixed fraction, so you should try to solve this problem same as it is. And seventh one somewhat, that means that contains both are mixed fraction, so it's also same thing but it contains both, means I will explain this one how to solve. First we should convert this 3 of 1 by 5 and also 1 of 2 by 3 into improper fraction, that is 5 into 3 plus 1 by 5, first one division symbol, and second one is 3 into 1 plus 2 by 3. First one become 5 3s are 15 plus 1 by 5 divided by, and second one become 3 1s are 3 plus 2 by 3. Then that is equal to 15 plus 1 is 16, 16 by 5 divided by 3 plus 2 5, 5 by 3. That is equal to 16 by 5, this division become multiplication, then this 5 by 3 become 3 by 5. So that is equal to 16 3s are 48 divided by 5 5s are 25. Like this we should first simplify these two mixed fraction into improper fraction, then we should convert this division into multiplication by taking a reciprocal form of 5 by 3 as 3 by 5. Then we should multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, then final answer you get 48 by 5. But still it is not a final answer, you should convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. How should we convert? Means you should divide the numerator by denominator. So these are the problems we have studied in that one. So here 8th one problem will be remaining will be there. In the fourth main 8th one problem remaining will be there. you should try to solve that one. Third main, sixth month problem. Okay, and second main, seventh month problem. So try to solve those three problems, and those three problems are the today's homework for you. Thank you, students.